Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Are you all?
Morning, ma'am.
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine.
How are you?
Fine.
Fine, thanks.
Okay, so children, we are doing today revision on chapter 4, addition and subtraction. So we have done last class, we were revising chapter 5, multiplication. Today's chapter 4, addition and subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Very easy. Yes. Which place we will start adding or subtracting from which place?
One place.
One place.
One
One. We have what are the digits we that is ones, tens,
Ones,
hundred,
tens,
thousand, 10,000. We will
10,000.
start adding or subtracting from ones place. And
Ones.
we have to line up the numbers one below the other, and if the number sum is more than 9, you have to regroup. All these we know. So children, before starting revision on chapter 4, we will start with seminar. This seminar is also revision on revision for our exam. We are going to revise chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these chapters we are taking seminar also for revision. So when the children are presenting seminar, all the children has to be very attentive. Okay, children. So let's start with Ameya. Yes, Ameya. Ready?
Next, can I do?
Wait. Yes, Ameya. Ready? So I will you want to share the screen, no? So I'll
Yes.
make it, yeah, okay. All the children mute, and Shabiri also mute your device.
Good morning, all. Today I am going to take seminar about patterns. Do you know what is patterns? Patterns are created when figure shapes objects arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Pattern can be natural and man-made. This is one example for natural patterns. Artificial patterns are made by humans. This is an artificial pattern made in sari. Patterns can be created with shapes and line also. This pattern is created with square, circle, and triangle shapes. This pattern is created with letter. This is one example for number pattern. See this slide. Can anyone tell the missing number in the pattern? Andrea.
Andre, look at the pattern, and which number will come next?
Okay, ma'am.
$11, $22, $33. Next.
Can I say? Ma'am, 44.
Check 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Next, what will come?
44.
4, 4. Yes, 44. Yeah. Then
55.
yes. Then after 66.
77.
7, 7. Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Andrea. Next, we will talk about line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. If you can fold a figure in half so that the two halves exactly match, the figure is said to be symmetrical. The line which divides an object into two equal parts is called line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. Objects can have vertical or horizontal lines of symmetry. Example, rectangle. This is one example. for vertical symmetry. Tessellation. Tessellation is a pattern of shapes that fit together with no gaps. Assemble honeycomb. This also some assemble for tessellation. Anyone have any questions? Thank you.
No.
Do you have any questions? No.
No. No.
Okay, very good, Ameya. So we were, she was teaching patterns. Okay,
Thank you,
we
ma'am.
will clap for everyone together at the end. Okay, next, Devananda, you are in which chapter? You are going to take which topic?
Circle and its part.
Okay, circle and parts. Can start. So this chapter 1.
Ma'am, now you can see.
Yeah, we can see the screen.
Good morning, my dear friends and respected teacher. Today I am presenting my seminar. My topic is circle and its part. Do you know what is circle? Okay, I will tell. A circle is a simple closed figure with no edges or corners. Do you know the circle has 6 parts? They are first, center, second, radius, third, chord, fourth, diameter, fifth, semicircle, and sixth is circumference. Do you know what is center? The fixed point of a circle is called its center. Radius. The line segment drawn from the center to the edge of the circle is called its radius. Chord. A chord is a line segment that joins any 2 points on a circle. Diameter. A line segment drawn from one point on a circle to another and passing through the center is known as its diameter. Semicircle. The diameter of a circle divides the circle in 2 halves. Each half is called a semicircle. Circumference. The length of a circle is called the circumference. Thank you for listening my seminar.
Do you want to ask something to the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is a circle? Anna Grace.
A circle is a simple closed figure with no edges or corners.
What is a semicircle? To Amaya.
You can stop share.
Okay, ma'am.
A circle divided into 2 halves is called circle.
What was the question? Say it again.
What is semicircle?
Semicircle.
A circle
Is divided into 2 half, and each half we can say, okay, or we can say the diameter divides the circle into 2 half, each half is called semicircle. Okay, then
All of you understand. I hope you all of you understand my topic. Thank
yes,
you.
we understood. Yes, children. Okay, next,
Yes, ma'am.
next who is going?
Excuse me,
Gauri Nanda?
ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
yes, Agna.
I have a doubt. Circumference is a part of a circle.
This is the length of circle. Length of the circle is called circumference. Okay, next, Gauri Nanda, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, children, please mute your device and listen to Gauri Nanda. Yes, Gauri.
cannot hear you.
Yes, Gauri. Please wait, Bandhan. Gauri, are you there?
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
Who cannot see the board? All of you, please wait. Gauri is, I think she's trying to share the board. Yes, Gauri?
Now can I start?
Huh?
Can I start?
Yes. You can
My
start.
lecture?
No.
Good morning to all. Today I am going to teach you addition and subtraction. The symbol of addition is plus and the symbol is called plus. The symbol of subtraction is minus and the symbol is called minus. Now let us learn the steps to follow. Arrange the number one below the other according to their place. For subtraction, ensure that the smaller number is placed below the large number. Start adding or subtracting from one's place. At every switch, see if regrouping is required and then add or subtract. Always begin addition and subtraction from the one's place. Now can I ask the question?
Yeah.
What do we call symbol for addition?
You can ask anyone.
Maria.
Dia.
What is the question?
What do we call symbol for addition?
Plus.
Correct answer. Next question. What do we call the symbol of subtraction? Irony.
Minus.
Correct answer. Ten plus 12 equal to dash.
Ask someone. Say the name. Huh?
Naila.
Yes, Naila. 10 plus 12.
Can I say? Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Ma'am,
Wait,
Devananda can say.
wait, children.
Ma'am, Siddharth can say.
So this we can do like mental addition. Yes, Naila, 10 plus 10. Here we can see 10 plus
Ma'am,
12. Yeah, what's the answer?
22.
22. Yes, we can do it like mental addition. 10 plus 10 to 20 plus 2. 22. Yes.
Answer is 22.
Yes.
Twenty-two
22
minus
minus 10.
Ma'am, Devananda can say.
Yes, Devananda.
Ma'am, 32.
Minus. Look at the simple over there. 22 minus 10.
And Grace can say.
Wait. Devananda is going to say now.
20.
22 minus 10.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Gauri, who want to say the answer?
Anna Grace.
12.
Answer is 12. Thank you.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we can clap for all these 3 children who have taken seminar today. Yes, children? Good? Very good. Okay. Now send me message, okay? Send me message your topic and these students they have taken.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Yes, I can do.
Now
Ma'am,
children,
ma'am,
please listen to me. And those children who are interested, I told you Monday, Wednesday and Friday we have time. Please send me the topic and your name. Okay, now we will start revision questions in your rough book. So children, Gaurinanda was saying all the rules. You have to how to add the numbers. She was teaching like 2 digit, but we are doing with 5 digit. Place the number one below the other and check. You need regrouping while you are adding. If the sum is more than 9, you have to carry over. And while you are doing subtraction, children, you have to place the bigger number on the top and the smaller number below. And after placing these numbers, if you see any digit on the top is smaller number than the number below, you have to borrow. You have to regroup and borrow. Yes, clear?
Yes.
So now I will give you some questions we are going to do with the 5 digit numbers. So children,
Ma'am, addition.
do it fast. Wait.
Ma'am, addition or subtraction.
You can see here, children, this is chapter 4, addition and subtraction. So you will get both addition and subtraction. Yes. Why the doubt? Okay. I will give you 2 questions and 1 word problem. I think that much time only we have today. So first question. Children, this is revision on chapter 4, addition and subtraction of 5 digit numbers. All the days, children, please try to write the revisions together. We have completed chapter 5. Now we are doing chapter 4. Monday, which chapter? Chapter 3 numbers. So addition and subtraction.
In the rough book.
Yes, my dear. Every day we are doing these revision questions in the rough. So first question number 1. 39874 23965. 23965. You can see the symbol here. What do you have to do? Okay.
I have to write the question.
Write the question. Without writing the question, we cannot do this addition. Now, question number 2. So, question number 1 is add. Question number 2, subtract. Four 46,983 minus 22,654. Subtract. Now I will write 1 word problems also here. Someone's audio. Deros, please mute your device. Okay, so children, question number 1, you have to add. Question number 2, you have to do subtract. Now, question number 3, you have to write the, no need to write the question because that is word problem. It will take time. So, for a football match, $28,402 people supported Group A. Supported Group A and 28,471 people supported Group B. See that you are muted, children, from where the sound supported Group B. Let me please see. All the children, you had to write question number 1 and 2, then question number 3, that is word problem. Please try to on your camera, all of you.
You can show the book.
For a football match, 28,402 people supported Group A and 28,471 people supported Group B. How many total number of people? How many total number of people?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the third question you want to write?
No need to write the question, but you have to write the answer with the steps. How many total number of people supported both the teams? Supported both the teams. Okay. So question number 1, question number 2, you have to write. Then question number 3, write the answer. There is a word problem. Try to understand the word problem. Then what you have to do? Write the answer with steps. We'll discuss the answer of question number 1 fast. Children, try to do it faster.
Ma'am, I got the answer of add.
Okay, wait. Have you all completed? Yashika, finish writing the answers.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. You want to write the step?
Yes, without step, no, we cannot write the
Ma'am,
word problem. So children, we will discuss now question number 1. So Yashika, can you give me the answer? What is 5 plus 4? Yes?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Devananda, 5 plus 4?
9.
9. What is 6 plus 7? 7 plus 6?
13.
13. So we'll write here 3 and 1 is carry over. 1 plus 8? 9. 9 plus 9? 18. 1 is carry over. 1 plus 9? 10. 10 plus 3?
13.
13. 1 is carry over again. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Children, please check whether you got the answer. 63,839.
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
809.
Ma'am, I get the same
39. Very
answer.
good. Okay. Now, children, please check. Now we will discuss now question number 2. Yes, Abhinav. 1 minute. Let me.
Ma'am,
Okay. What is 3? Can you take 3 minus 4? Can you do? Take 4 from 3.
1. No.
No. So what we had to do? We cannot take 4 from 3. So what you had to do?
Borrow.
Borrow. Here it becomes 7 and here it is 13. 13 minus 4. You have to always check, children, whether the number on the top is small or big. If it is small, you have to borrow. Yes, 13 minus 4. What is 13 minus 4?
9.
9.
Now there is no problem here. 7 minus 5.
2.
2. 9 minus 6.
3. 13.
Minus 2. 4. Okay, 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. So children, please check whether the answer is
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
24,329. 24,329. Okay. Now children, look at the word problem and tell me whether it is addition or subtraction. For a football match, 28402 people supported group A. And how many children supported group B?
20,000.
71. Okay. Now look at the sentence. How many total number of people supported?
Addition.
Yes, addition. So children, can you give me the first step? What will write as the first step?
Number of people supported group A.
Very good. Number of people supported group A. Very good, children. You have to write this step neatly. Supported group A. Look at the question here. How many children supported group A? 28,402. Okay. Next, what will write? Number of people.
Number of
People.
supported group
Number of people supported group B.
28,471.
28,471. Okay. Now, next step, what will write?
Total number
of people.
supported
Both groups.
both the
Yeah, both the teams or okay. So we can write total number of people. I'm writing only total number of people. If you want to write total number of people supported both the teams, okay. So what you have to do here? 28402 plus 2847. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
28402 plus 28471 dash people. What's the answer, children? Hmm. 28,402 plus 28,471. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
1 plus 0? 7. 4 plus 4?
8.
8 plus 8?
16.
1 is carryover. 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer is
5.
56,873. 56,873 people supported both the teams. Yes. Did you get the answer, children?
Ma'am, I got the same answer.
Correct answer.
Ma'am, I got full.
Okay, very good. So, children, while you are getting the word problems here, you have to read the question and understand the problems we already discussed. What are the key words we can add that will help us to identify the word problems, that is addition or subtraction. Here we can see the total number of people. So the question is addition problem. Okay. So children, for Monday, you had to revise which chapter? Chapter 3, numbers.
Number.
Yes, okay, children?
10, sir.
Okay, very good. Bye-bye. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.